just sometimes don't get contractors. On this ticket here, they're calling for concrete restoration. And apparently there has been no work going on these streets. The only work that had been done was at this intersection. And you can see this intersection is completed. So the restoration work has been done. Why do they call tickets out after the fact? It gets me. But this is the reason why we're always falling behind on tickets, is because contractors like this completed the work last week, but calls in a digger ticket to get this job restorated, to get this job done. And you can see clearly that this job already had been completed. So I'm gonna take my photos, put it on the ticket, job completed, move on to the next one. Thanks guys for watching.